Welcome to the next video of Standard 8 Maths. Lesson number 3, Indices and Cube Root. Here, cube and cube roots. If a number is written 3 times and multiplied, then the product is called the cube of that number. Question number 1. Find the cube of 17. Means 17 raised to 3. 17 into 17 into 17 3 times. The answer is 4913. Find the cube of minus 6. Minus 6 raised to 3. Minus 6 into minus 6 into minus 6 equal to minus 216. Note, the cube of positive number is positive and cube of negative number is always negative. Find the cube root. 216. We have to factorize this. 2 into 108. 2 into 2 into 54. 54 2s are 108. 2 into 2 into 2 into 27. 27 2s are 54. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 9. 9 3s are 27. Here 2 into 2 into 2. 3 into 3 into 3 means 2 raised to 3 and 3 raised to 3. 2 into 3, 6. 6 raised to 3. Therefore, cube root of 216 is equal to 6. Now, next. Question number 2. Find the cube of minus 1331. Minus 1331 equal to minus 11 into minus 11 into minus 11. Therefore, minus 11 raised to 3. Therefore, cube root of 1331 equal to minus 11. Now, let us solve the practice set 3.3. Question number 1 is here. Find the cube roots of following numbers. Number 1, 8000. Factorization of this number. 8 into 1000. 2 into 2 into 2 and 10 into 10 into 10 means 2 raised to 3, 10 raised to 3. 2 into 10 raised to 3, 2 into 10, 20 raised to 3. Therefore, cube root of 8000 is equal to 20. Number 2, 729. 9 into 81, 9 into 9 into 9 means 9 raised to 3. Therefore, cube root of 729 equal to 9. Number 3 is here. 343. 7 into 49, 7 into 7 into 7 means 7 7s are 49, 49 7s are 343. Therefore, 7 raised to 3. Therefore, cube root of 343 is equal to 7. Number 4, minus 512. 2 into 256. 2 into 2 into 128. 2 into 2 into 2 into 64 means 64 2s are 128, 128 2s are 256, 256 2s are 512. Now 2 into 2 into 2 and 4 into 16, 16 4s are 64. 2 into 2 into 2 and 4 into 4 into 4. Here 2 raised to 3 and 4 raised to 3. 4 2s are 8 means 8 raised to 3. Therefore, cube root of minus 512 is equal to minus 8 raised to 3. Next one is next one is 32,768. The factorization of it is equal to 8 into 4096. 8 into 8 into 512. 8 into 8 into 8 into 64. Here 8 into 8 into 8, 4 into 4 into 4 means 8 raised to 3 and 4 raised to 3. 8 into 4 raised to 3, 8 4s are 32. Therefore, cube root of 32,768 is equal to 32. Now, next one. Question number 2. Simplify. Here number 1 is given 27 upon 125. Cube root of 27 upon 125. Here 3 into 3 into 3 means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. And 5 into 5 into 5 means 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Means 3 raised to 3 and 5 raised to 3. Therefore, cube root of 27 divided by 125 is equal to 3 upon 5. Number 2. Cube root of 16 upon 54. Here we have to multiply 8 into 2 and 27 into 2. 2 get cancelled. Common number 2 get cancelled. Therefore 8 upon 27. 8 means 2 into 2 into 2 3 times. And 27 means 3 into 3 into 3 3 times. Means 2 raised to 3 and 3 raised to 3. Therefore cube root of 16 upon 54 is equal to 2 upon 3. Now question number 3. If cube root of 729 is equal to 9, then cube root of 0.000729 equal to what? Cube root of 0.00729 is equal to cube root of 729 upon 1 lakh. Therefore, cube root of 729 upon cube root of 1 lakh. Here 9 upon 100. Therefore, 0.09 is the right answer. Therefore, cube root of 0.00729 equal to 0.09. Thank you.